my channel. Today we're taking a look at some phone cases that the awesome company Keyway sent. They're from Canada. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so I hit up this company that I saw on my Instagram and I thought their cases were super fucking awesome. So I reached out to them and see if they want to help me out with some cases to take a look at and try them on and, you know, do a review on them. And guess what? They say yes. So thank you Keyway for sending these two cases on my way. I really appreciate it. As you can see is for the iPhone X. Cool little simple design. Cutouts for all the little things right here. The buttons. So smooth. It has a good grip right here when you touch it. So you know it has like a good texture. No problem there. An opening for your mute silent button. This side is normal. So about this company. So this company is from Canada. Not much to say there. Just from Canada. It's made in Canada. They use real wood, real leather, real metal in some of their cases, which is I think it's pretty awesome. I know there's other companies that do the same thing, but I really like their designs, which I thought they were pretty unique. And another thing I learned from them is that they collaborate with other, creators, people that illustrate, people that make drawings and stuff like that, like around Instagram, and they give them credit of the design. So that's really cool. That's not something that you see, working with other people. This case right here is pretty simple to explore. The reason I got it is just because I wanna motivate myself more to move around, to go out there and do stuff, either for recording, either for exploring, anything. Just the fact that this case is on my desk, I look at it, I always put my phone face down, so I see this illustration all the time. So the fact I had this low-key motivates me, even though I haven't done something, but it makes me want to do something. So when I reached out to them, I told them, hey, I'm a small YouTuber. Is it possible I could get, a couple cases to take a look at, review them, try them on? And I pretty much told them my whole story that, I do the videos, my girlfriend does the editing, and they were awesome enough to send a case for me. And then they also say, hey, we're gonna send a case for your girlfriend. So they sent one for her. And we got to pick the designs that we wanted. She went with this one. Like really girly, floral, really classic. I don't know, it makes it look really nice in your hands. They do make cases for all the way to iPhone 5S, I believe. I'll link the website in the description down below so you can check them out. And I also put their Instagram so you can check out their designs. And they take some really cool photos. I like that. Some of the cases are at $23. It comes down to depending on the material they use, the design. There's some I think I saw for around $50 or a little bit more. It comes down to the type of case that it is. They use leather, they use metal, they use both. It comes down to that. Some of them are sold out. There's one I really wanted that was really cool. Fortunately, it was sold out. Bummer, but that's what it is. So there's nothing much difference from any other case out there. They do the same thing. They protect your phone, they keep it clean, they keep it safe. That's the point of it. These guys just added the fact that they use real wood, real leather, and their design is awesome. You could actually feel the texture. I'm gonna take you guys as close as possible so you guys can take a look at it. Another thing, so this is, you could actually feel all this. The only thing I couldn't feel was this little line right here, but other than that, I could feel the mountains. And super minimalistic. They threw the brand logo right here, but it's so minimal and it goes with the case that I don't mind at all. Like it's just okay, cool, that looks awesome. But guys, that was it. That was a short video for today. Don't forget to check them out. And I want to say hi. I really love the designs and they were super nice. Once again, thank you so much for Keyway to send these two cases for me and my girlfriend. I really appreciate it. And have a wonderful day, guys. See you in the next one.